What is up, YouTube Nation? It's your boy VR. Welcome to the show. It's a beautiful day in Chicago. I haven't been posting up a lot of videos because I've been very busy with my little baby. It's just a life-changing event, but I have been following the cryptocurrency markets. So let's get right into it. So we're seeing the cryptocurrency market had a huge 20% crash. Bitcoin is around like $42,000, $43,000. It was because were a lot of leverage traders out there with longs, and with these cryptocurrency derivative platforms like Bybit, BitMEX, even if you're using leverage on like Coinbase Pro, they offer way more leverage than you get at a traditional market. So you can get up to 100% leverage when you're trading in the cryptocurrency market. When you see the market crash like that, that means that a lot of those leverage trades have been cut off, and those derivative companies are making tons and tons of money. Now, we haven't seen the cryptocurrency price spike back up as we usually see in the past. I'm believing it's because we're going to see tapering soon from the Federal Reserve. You can even see that the ECB chairman has been talking about slowing purchase of bonds, and the United States will be slowing the purchases of bonds and commodities stocks too. If you look at their balance sheets, it's pretty ridiculous how much they were buying during the pandemic, as we are in a pandemic right now. We also have Janet Yellen asking for the US to move up their debt ceiling. And that is because the US government doesn't have money to pay all their bills. Well, when we're asking for the federal government to do that for the US, that means they're going to tax more of the people. Right now they're looking to tax the rich, but in the end, it will just move on down the chain to the consumers and the people who are working at jobs that will make less money. So this is the reason why you're seeing the Dow fall. You're seeing the S&P fall. It's because right now I think we're at a tail end, and the tapering, even mentioning tapering of the interest rates from the Federal Reserves, it's pretty much a major event in the U.S. history. So we had El Salvador, one of the first countries to make Bitcoin legal tender in that country with the U.S. dollar. And there's another country who just did the same thing, but it was a very bad time for them to do that. As you've seen, the price of Bitcoin fell pretty hard, but the El Salvador citizens only received $30 worth of Bitcoin. And I just want to tell you guys, if you just hold for 10 years, don't sell it, don't move it, it would be a hell of an investment that the El Salvador government made for their people. Now, this was a huge smack to the IMF because they don't want cryptocurrencies to make their way into their banking system. Any other countries that's going to do that, they're going to have to maybe have a punishment from the IMF. But if you look at the situation they're in with their currencies are highly inflated, and they need something for their members of their country to stabilize or to hold their purchase power. So the SEC and Coinbase are at it again. Coinbase wanted to bring out a lending platform like BlockFi and Celsius, where they hold your coins and you get a APY per year. The SEC told Coinbase no, they can't do that or they'll be sued. Before the SEC said they were going to sue them, Coinbase just wants to know, hey, why can't we open up this lending platform like other platforms in the cryptocurrency space who've gotten permission from you guys? And the SEC really didn't give them a response and just threatened to sue them. So Coinbase may have to take this to court, and it's looking like the SEC may stop the innovation of the cryptocurrency market. Also, the SEC is looking at Uniswap. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange, and since they allow Bitcoin to survive because it's decentralized, maybe they will continue to let Uniswap help the community with ERC tokens because it is truly decentralized. So that is some news we need to just stand back and watch make sure you get your popcorn for that. As the price of Bitcoin went up, guess what I followed? I followed Tether. If you guys follow me on my Twitter and Instagram account, you can see I follow, I think his name, Wells or Mr. Wells, or it'll show up right now in front of you guys. Follow this guy on Twitter and you can see the major movements by Wells in the cryptocurrency space. And we also seen Tether produce billions and billions of dollars of Tether minted from their company and push the price of Bitcoin up. Now, if you guys follow me on my social media, I've been saying Tether is the one that's going to bring the whole market down because they have so much invested into the cryptocurrency space. Leave a comment to let me know, do you think Tether is going to take down the market, or you think any other organization will take it down? And finally, guys, the only cryptocurrency that's really up right now is Hex. Hex is just pushing and pushing and pushing up. If you had $300 worth of Hex, you'll be a millionaire right now, just staying in Hex for a year or putting it in staking for a year. Richard Heart has created something that continues to make money and it's better than a CD from a bank. Right now I'm averaging in Hex like 30% per day in interest, which is very, very incredible. You usually don't get that with pretty much any other cryptocurrency, guys. I'll leave the link at the bottom for Hex if you guys want to do it. If you guys want to look at it, just make sure you guys do your own research. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and all you guys have a good day, and all you guys have a good night, and enjoy the crypto life. Peace.